Hey, everybody. It's Athena Renee here, back with another Oracle reading with Discovering Your Destiny. I'm so excited you're here. How y'all doing this weekend? We are going into the last week of March, which still gives us that time of the Aries and Pisces cusp. If you're into that type of thing, this is a time for you to tap into your supreme creativity. But anyway, if this is your first time here, I want to send a warm welcome out to you, and what's up to everyone that steps in to listen at that divine timing. All right, this channel is all about personal and career development. We do it through all different types of things. We talk about all type of tactics and strategies and resources that you can use to grow your small business, nonprofit organization, as well as your career in, particularly a career in leadership. Okay, these are my career and life oracle cards that I use to give you intuitive downloaded messages that you will receive when the time is right. Okay, so if you check this out, if you find something that resonates with you, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget, consider subscribing. Let's get into it. These are life success oracle cards that I purchased a while back, and it's just really been a wonderful add to what we're doing. I have got so much positive feedback from friends and family as I continue to sharpen my skills on these. I think it's great. Every time I get a read, it's something that I myself can personally resonate with, and I know Spirit does not give me anything that is someone else cannot resonate with. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's look at this spread. You can simply read the cards, just the word itself, and you can get a message. This is how powerful these reads have been every single time, right? So I know if you drop on this channel, I know you are a person that knows there's something more to life than just everyday mundane in and out. Guess what? If you're here in divine timing. So let's get into it. First and foremost, we're going to talk about this courage. I need you to understand that whatever it is that you're asking for, it doesn't matter what it is. You want a better family, a better job, a better career, a better life. You have to have the courage to stand up to it. It says, ask what you are afraid of so you can overcome what's holding you back now. There are leadership opportunities in the taking. You know, I was doing a reading just last night, and I was telling an individual that new levels is new devils. And at the end of the day, you have to have the courage to stand up to the blessing of what you truly want, because everybody is not going to appreciate you living the life that you always wanted. That's what it's about. When you think about success is the path you are willing to take to get to the life you want to live, right? It says the path you are on will bring you success and prosperity if you just keep going. Lots of little steps take you a long way. You're on track. Listen, this is something else I was discussing. It does not matter about how many big steps you take. It's all about continue to make consistent small steps over a long period of time. I know a lot of people always looking for overnight success. But at the end of the day, guys, real success, greatness is built over time. Fakeness is built overnight. Okay? Greatness is built over time. So don't ever concern yourself with people that compete and try to put you on their timeline of success, because your journey is unmatched. Your journey is tailor-made to your life. And there's nobody that will live a life like you before or after. So just remember, as long as you keep going with your future on the mind, right? Like this car, a lot of people, they continue to look back. They say they want a better future. They say they want a better day. They keep on looking back. Listen, if you want the future, you can't keep looking at the past. Now, do we visit the past? Of course we do, because it teaches us of what we don't want to do again, but also how we can continue to grow on things that we did do well in the past. But to have a successful future, you have to plan for the future. To plan for the future means you have to be looking in the future. Okay? It says you are always supported by spirit. Your psychic abilities can bring you prosperity. Plan for the future while living in the present. This is why I always tell people there's no time like the present to plan your future. Right? Stop looking back, because at the end of the day, the direction you want to go is up. That's the direction you're going. It says your purpose is unfolding slowly, step by step, as you go along. There's no need to hurry. Listen, we just discussed it. There's no need to hurry or worry. You are being divinely guided. Here's the deal: as long as you keep moving towards your future, all of this is going to take courage. Everything that we're discussing is going to take courage. It's going to take courage to plan for the future. Why? Because people talk about gloom and doom every day, right? It's going to take the courage to be successful. Two stages of success: the stage while you're doing it and going through it. Well, excuse me, it's three stages. Number one, the first stage is planning it and even having a dream. You got to have courage. If you know anything about the Bible, you will know that Joseph's brothers wanted to kill him because he simply had a dream. Number two, the courage when you make mistakes. You got to have the courage in the middle, right? When you're doing something you've never done before and then you hit hard times, you got to have courage to keep going. And last but not least, when you get blessed, you got to have courage to stand up in it. Everyone else might be living a mediocre lifestyle. Guess what? You got to have the courage to live in your lifestyle because you paid the price. You decided to focus on your future. You set your compass to the direction you wanted to go in, and you did not stop until you reached the top. I'm going to leave this message right here. If you enjoyed that, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me some comments, okay? Until next time, take care.